Hi, X Factor Philippines. I'm Brian Sidol, 22 years of age, from Mandawi City. I will be singing a song, Too Much Love Will Kill You. Just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up in what a struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I was wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't get up your mind. Song between a lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just a shadow of the man I used to be. And it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I ever do is bring you down. Ooh, how would it be if you're standing in my shoes?